This is Peary Habits Level 3, Muscular Lesson number 7. So this week we're continuing on with our Junior Hanon and hand over hand exercises. In Junior Hanon, it's time to go on to number 3. So it's time to learn a new pattern. Number 3's pattern starts out just like number 2. So, do you remember how that started in number 2? Okay, so it's exactly the same thing, but we're going to go down twice now. So down, 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 3 times. So here we are, down, 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 and just 2 ups. Up, up. So let's do it all. Ready, go. Starting out the same. Down, 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 up, up. Then repeat. 3 downs. 1, 2, 3. Now 2 ups. Down, 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 up, up. And you'll go all the way until your thumb is on B. Up, up, and instead of going down here, finish off up at the G. This one is quite similar to number 2. So the first thing to do is always to learn the pattern. If you have to start at hands alone, that's great. By the end of the week, try and get it power fingers at any speed you can do perfectly. Our goal speed for number 3 is 112, and you need to be able to reach that by next lesson. Because this pattern is somewhat similar, you could try practicing muscle builders this week as well. The more you practice muscle builders, the better. So if you can be practicing muscle builders even when the pattern is new, you'll get stronger and stronger fingers. If you're a little overwhelmed, just leave out muscle builders and just do power fingers for the first week you're learning a Hanon. This is a great week to send in a video. We've learned all of the arpeggios we need to learn for Group 2, D, A, E, major, and minor. So if you can send in a video playing those arpeggios at metronome 132, I can give you feedback on how to be ready for your Peary certification. And we are learning something new in hand over hand, and that's a 5-finger pattern. Remember, we did that in the Group 1 keys, and this is our last way of how we practice hand over hand. This will be at 132. So if we look at D major, here is our chord. And if we just fill in the white notes around it, there's our 5-finger pattern. So let's go through that. Ready, go. Now, to make this major into minor, we just need to change that one middle note again. So here's the D minor finger pattern. So you'll play D major and D minor 5-finger pattern at metronome 132 1 time every day. Really watch that your fingers stay close to the keys and that you're keeping your tips really firm. Remember how in level 1, when we learned 5-finger, we learned not to stick our thumbs out here, but to get the whole pattern ready at once. All 5 fingers down on the key. Remember to continue to do that in this Group 2 keys as well. So black keys ready, thumbs on the key. If you didn't go through level 2, please go through level 2 now and see that explanation of how to do the 5-finger pattern. It will really help you in level 3. If this lesson has a lot of stuff in it and it's a little too long for you, it's a lot to practice, feel free to break it up into different weeks. It is a lot to practice, so if you just want to work on Hanon this week and then sending in your video for arpeggios next time, and then after that learning the 5-finger pattern, that's great. Always do what you feel you can. That way you'll stay motivated and keep doing your lessons. If you ever feel overwhelmed, just leave something out for that week and do it the next week. All right? Okay, I look forward to seeing your videos. Have a great week.